At Chemcut, innovation isn't just a buzzword, it's the driving force behind everything we do. That's why we developed our Center for Research, your gateway to advancing wet processing technology. This isn't just a lab, it's your launch pad. With 6,000 square feet of space and a team of wet process experts, we'll work side by side with you to push past barriers, develop, test, and refine custom solutions, and bring your next innovation to life. Facing a unique chemical challenge? Need to validate a groundbreaking concept? Ready to scale your prototype for full-scale production? We provide the resources and expertise to accelerate your progress, smarter, faster, and with less risk. Need to optimize your current operations? Our experts help troubleshoot inefficiencies, fine-tune critical parameters, and maximize your output and quality. We offer specialized training programs, from hands-on equipment mastery to advanced process optimization, to keep your team at the forefront of our dynamic industry. And we understand the value of your proprietary work. That's why the Center for Research operates as a secure, confidential environment, dedicated to protecting your innovations. Whether you're refining a critical process, pioneering a market-disrupting technology, or validating cutting-edge manufacturing techniques, Chemcut's Center for Research provides the speed, expertise, and support you need to transform your vision into reality. Ready to accelerate your innovation? Schedule your research time today and start building a better process.